Today's lesson is a phonics lesson, which is understanding letters and how they work in words, which can help us read harder and harder words as we understand how the different sounds work together. Today's phonics lesson is all about short vowels. And no, this doesn't mean vowels that are not tall. It's just a name for a certain type of vowel sound. First, let's remind ourselves what vowels are. Okay, there's vowels, there's consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, those are vowels. I know we say sometimes Y, but we're not going to worry about that today. Now, as you know, all these vowels can make different sounds, right? I can have an A that says A, that says A. So we're just going to talk about what those different sounds are. Well, today we're talking specifically about the short vowel sound, which is A, I, A, and Now, I'll show you some different words to help make that more clear. First, let's look at our A. So, that A sound, we can write it like you get with some slashes. That just tells us the A sound. Now, this can be in different places in the word. It could be at the beginning, like apple. It could be in the middle, like trash, or chance, ants. Okay? But these are all that short A sound. Now let's talk about the short E sound. Again, I can write it like that. It just tells me that's the short E. So, Now, I should add that I can spell it a couple of different ways. I can spell it with just an E, or sometimes it gets spelled with an EA. EA can say different things depending on the word. So just the E is like spend. Notice that's in the middle. If it was, oh goodness, egg, that's at the beginning. But again, just that E that says eh. Now sometimes it can be EA, like head, or dead. The EA says a short E sound, so eh. So that's the short E sound, eh. Now we have the short I sound, eh. Again, it can come at the beginning or in the middle, like igloo, igloo. Or it can be in the middle, like quick, ick. Or just trying to find an example. Exhibit, exhibit. Oh, and that's actually two short I sounds. So that sound is a short I. Two more vowels to go. We have the O. The short O sound is like ah, which you might think of as A, but we say that's a short O sound. So like soft, oft, short O. Stomp, ump. Okay, that's the short O. And last but not least, we have the short U. So, That's a short U sound. Umbrella. Can be at the beginning, can be in the middle, like thumb. Thumb. Under. Anything that starts with under is a short U sound. So for your assignment, you're watching this video. Afterwards, you'll watch me just reading the words that you're going to be using. The assignment is to open it in Cami. First, you're going to make sure you know how to say the words. That's why I made the video of me reading them. And then you will read them out loud for 1 minute. You can time yourself, or you can have someone else time you. You'll want to read them out loud. See how far you can get, and then just make a mark. Say you got here. Just count how many that was, and then you can record it at the bottom. Okay, if you have someone, put their name. Otherwise, just put me or something. And then you're going to underline the short vowel sound in each word. So trash, scratch. Notice how this one there might be two, like seldom. L, that has two short vowel sounds, so I would underline both. And then after you've underlined them in all of the words, you will read it a second time. Okay, so first time, then underline, then read it a second time. Hopefully you'll get at least a couple of words farther on your second time. That is what you will do for this assignment. Again, just as a way to practice looking for those patterns, looking for those short vowels that can help you then understand and read bigger words as you can start to see them in shorter words. Good luck!